Anushkins, you already know where I am. I'm on the sets of Cetaphil Presents, not just a chat show. I'm so excited to be here and I'm really having a lot of fun. Like, look at my hair and makeup today. I think my team killed it today, right? Like, look at this eye makeup. Isn't it so cute? It's matching with the Cetaphil. See? It's so nice, right? And by the way, you guys always ask me, what's your skincare secret and खूबसूरती का राज क्या है? I'll tell you. So I sleep well, I sleep on time, drink lots of water, and aloe vera really suits my skin. I put tea bags under my eyes. You know what? ये जो ब्यूटी इन्फ्लुएंसर वाला चीज़ है ना, ये मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. मैं आपको सच बताती हूँ. I use the #1 dermatologist recommended brand for sensitive skin. It's Cetaphil. I love the skincare range. It's so simple and just amazing. And by the way, talking about skin, today my favorite person is coming on my show. Dr. Monica Jacob, MD of Body Wellness, right? I know you know her. She has been on that show called Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives. So she's coming on my show. So before the show starts, you guys can, send me all of these questions like secrets, tips. Please DM me all the questions. I'm gonna try and ask all the questions before the show starts, okay? But I really gotta go. Okay, bye.
Hi.
Oh my God, you're already here?
Yeah, I got to see you in action. My God, you have 37 million followers. No wonder.
You saw that?
Yes,
Please sit. 37 million.
Plus.
It's huge, right?
It's huge.
Like everybody says that, oh my God, 37 million, you must be so proud and happy. I am proud and happy, but it also comes with like lots of responsibilities, right? Because there's so many kids that follow me. So I have to say the right things and not pass any wrong informations. And from wrong informations, these days, like Instagram has all sorts of influencers, which is amazing. People are like showing their talents and everything. Like I'm an influencer myself, except from being an actor. But there are these beauty influencers who I love and adore. But there's some influencers who don't know what they're doing.
Right.
They're just recommending whatever they think is right. But not every skincare routine is good for everyone, right? That's what you said.
Yes.
So what do you think? What is your opinion on these people, like all the audience, following these beauty influencers blindly? Like they should go to a dermatologist or, like an aesthetic physician like you.
Right.
So what's your opinion on it?
See, first of all, one size does not fit everyone,
Right.
especially in skincare. So every skin needs are different, and hence we have different products.
Right.
And also, what DIY they keep showing, on Instagram or any other social media, is that people also have to use their discretion whether this is for them. And there has to be some scientific basis or some proof. ऐसे उठ के लगा लिया, मुल्तानी मिट्टी लगा ली, उसके ऊपर vitamin C लगा लिया.
I know.
And the skin gets sensitive and irritable. A dry skin, if you put acids on top and then you're not protecting, आप sunscreen नहीं लगाओगे तो आपको ज़्यादा pigmentation हो जाएगा. और फिर वो ये home remedies करते हैं और फिर skin और ख़राब हो जाती है और acne भी aggravate हो जाते हैं, pigmentation भी हो जाती है. They need to go to a right person. They don't need much, but few products like the cleanser, the moisturizer, the sunscreen has to be right.
That is true. That is true.
I hope you're following your skincare routine right.
Yes, I am, of course. Oh, wait 1 second. Guys, do we have 20 minutes before the show starts?
Yes, Anushka. 20 minutes to go.
Oh, lovely. Great. Thanks. Okay, I'm going to show you.
Okay, great.
So, this is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser.
This is a great product. You can use all times. It's a hydrating cleanser.
So, there's this moisturizer that I really like. It's a Cetaphil moisturizer.
Yes.
And the Cetaphil Sun that you have told me to not miss.
That's the most important thing. Yes. And especially before your makeup, you must apply.
I guess people don't know about like sunscreen that much.
But are you applying the right way?
Right way?
How do you cleanse your face?
I just put it and then use water and then just wash it
I'll show
recklessly.
you. Can I get some tissue?
Yeah, Dada. There's a right way of using the cleanser.
Yeah. So in case you don't have access to water, what you can do, you can take a little bit of this cleanser.
Right.
Okay. And never be harsh with your face while using these cleansers. Okay, so you have to use your tips of fingers and go in a gentle circular manner. You can start right from the forehead, gentle motion circular on the eye area, the rest of the face. Okay?
Okay.
Be very gentle with your face.
Okay.
And in case you don't have water to rinse, you can just wipe it off.
We can?
Yes.
It's not like, it's not gonna make the skin like harsh or anything?
No.
Oh. Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
I never knew that.
But you can rinse it off if you have access to water, and then you can apply a moisturizer. The best way to apply a moisturizer is on a damp skin. Now, I don't have a spatula here, but I can show you the earbuds.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, there's a right way of using like
The product.
every single product.
Every single
I
product.
don't think like many people know about that.
Yeah. So, and the right amount. If you
Right
use
amount.
sunscreen in a lesser amount or lesser quantity, it won't work.
It won't
Yeah,
work.
It won't work because you're applying very less quantity. I'll show you the moisturizer. Spread it evenly on your face. Okay. And also moisturizer is something to lock the moisture. You do not apply on a dry skin. You always apply on a moist skin.
Even for oily skin people like me?
Yes. Okay. And then just circular manner. Always be very, very gentle with your skin. All right.
Yeah, you know, I'm always in a hurry.
Hurry.
And हमेशा मेरा ऐसा रहता है कि अरे I have to go, मुझे जाना है. So I just wash it very recklessly.
बहुत लोग ऐसे जोर जोर से
हाँ,
लगाते हैं,
because they
जोर जोर
think
से
वो clean
चेहरा
हो जाएगा।
धोते हैं कि वो क्लीन हो जाएगा, बट ओवर एक्सफोलिएट हो जाता है और स्किन सेंसिटिव हो जाती है.
Oh, no.
So now you tell me how much quantity of sunscreen do you apply?
The truth?
Yeah,
I guess like this much, like 2 pumps. Is it less?
less. It's less.
Really?
Yes.
But
it's
it,
less.
like I put it on my face evenly.
No. The right quantity to apply is between 2 digits, okay, and 2 finger.
Oh.
Should be at least.
Like that.
Yes, at least that much
Whoa.
for your face, and 3 fingers if you're covering your neck too.
Oh. So good to know about all of this, you know. It's very important. There's so much of science, right? Even in
Right.
application, like quantity and
Correct.
everything. It's good because I'm learning from my Instagram followers because they're always asking me, you know.
Correct.
So it's good to pass on these, you know, important information.
Right. Sometimes the right quantity is not applied. There's no use of applying any of the product, and then they don't get the result.
Right, right. Okay, it says there's so much I want to know.
light
Yeah.
बहुत
बहुत
hard
time
हो
है I guess अभी start करने में.
हाँ.
It's still lightening up. Okay.
Yeah.
So doc, now give me some gossip, okay? I can't ask you that on the show, right?
Right.
Give me some gossip. What is the procedure that is very famous among celebrities but they get it done secretly और किसी को पता ही नहीं होता है?
See, I would say dermal fillers सब कराते हैं.
What is that?
Dermal fillers होता है injection which is hyaluronic acid, which is naturally present in the skin. But कोई cheek lift करवाता है, कोई jaw line बनवाता है, कोई lips बनवाता है, कोई under eye clear करता है.
तो पता नहीं चलता?
That takes years off your face. Like I have fillers everywhere. I have cheek fillers, I have jawline fillers. So
Wow,
you
पता ही
can't
नहीं
make
चल
out.
रहा है.
पता नहीं चलता है. If done properly, पता नहीं चलता. मैंने खुद को inject किया by the way.
खुद को?
Yeah. All right.
Wow,
So it can be that natural.
I would faint, literally. अच्छा, but ठीक है, this is so
हाँ,
fun.
but commonly like what people are asking for,
Right.
young girls to like mature women, everybody's getting lip fillers done. Yeah.
So what do you think is the reason for it? Like, why is everybody getting it done?
See, everybody wants a fuller, youthful lip. Okay, but I'm thinking not overdo. But some people have thin lips, they're born with thin lips. Sometimes the symmetry and the proportions of the face has to be right. But with aging, lips anyways volume goes down, the sides go down. So you have a sad face. So you need to kind of work around the lips. Yeah.
You get sad as your age grows.
Yeah. So nowadays you're working on facial expressions.
Right.
A tired look is because you have loss of volume under the eyes.
Right.
You know, nasolabials, these folds, they make you look tired because
Right.
you're aging.
That's why they're like
downwards. Yes, and that's why we're lifting everything up.
But I like this face, you know.
You're just 19, Anushka. There's a long way for you to go.
I know, long way to go.
Yeah.
Long way for my show to start as well, guys. Oh, nobody is responding also. Aren't you a little thirsty?
Yes.
Yeah?
Let's have some lemon tea since you're talking about skin.
Yes. Spot Dada, 2 lemon tea dena please. Thank you. Jaldi. So hot also.
It's so hot.
Right? So yeah, like 5 years back, I'm telling you, 5 years back, social media, digital media, this was nothing. Like when I joined Instagram 5 years back, nobody knew what it was. You know, they were like,
Totally
acha,
agree.
it's some
Yeah.
app. Facebook was
Right.
still there, I guess. Now, if you're not on Instagram, people will judge you. Literally. I'm telling you. Guys, do we have 5 to 10 minutes?
5 minutes to roll, guys.
Okay, so quickly, so before you came,
Yeah.
I was doing this Instagram live where I
saw
asked,
you.
you saw, right?
Yeah.
So I was asking my fans, my Anushkins, as I call
Yeah.
them, that you are coming on my show. So before the Cetaphil Presence Not Just a Chat show starts, I asked them that if they want to ask you anything, they can drop in questions, you know, the
Right.
secrets and personal tips or everything that I can't ask on the show. So I'm gonna ask you quickly before the show starts, right? Yeah, it's like Ask Me Anything
Sure.
with Dr. Monica Jacob.
Right.
Cool. So it's true or false, okay?
Right.
Not a rapid fire. Okay. Most Bollywood celebrities today have lip fillers or body implants.
True.
I kind of knew that.
Yeah.
Even today, many customers of yours come looking for lighter, fairer skin.
True.
Parents often bring children for cosmetic procedures to your clinics.
False. Not true.
The weirdest request you got from a patient. Look at my Anushkins, huh?
Yeah.
Giving all sorts of questions to me. It's fun.
There was a very funny incident. There's
Yeah.
a girl who comes and she showed me a picture. Phone mein dikhati hai. I said, I want to become like her. And I look at the picture. I said, I don't know her. Generally, people get references of any celeb or you know people they aspire.
People popular.
Popular people. She says she's my boyfriend's current girlfriend. So I want to look like her.
What are you
Get back
saying?
to him, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. So
I didn't think.
people have a lot of insecurities when coming to this.
She actually said that?
Yes.
Oh my god, poor girl.
Yes.
So one skincare trend that's popular but doesn't work.
Okay, so IV glutathione injections for skin lightening and detoxification are getting very popular, but it really doesn't work well. It doesn't work for everyone also.
Oh.
So people keep asking for these injections, which I kind of tell them it's not, you know, a proven thing, and it doesn't have a good literature for us to support that, and still people want to.
Good, my fans are gonna know from you,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Because they should know.
Yes.
3 diet-based changes for healthy skin. I also wanna know.
Plenty of water, avoid junk and sugars, and eat healthy, which is all your colored fruits and vegetables.
I have to work on all the 3.
All three.
All 3. Invasive procedure that's most popular in your clinic.
See, right now the trend is to have a nice glowing skin. So
Yeah.
invasive procedure, I would say skin boosters. These are hydrators. You inject small quantities all over the face and gives you nice flawless skin.
Yeah?
Improves the skin texture, the skin hydration. These are called injectable moisturizers. This is what I call them.
Wow, so
Yeah.
it works like better than normal moisturizers.
yes.
Oh. A chemical procedure you get done regularly.
So I have oily skin. What I regularly do is oxidate facials, which is oxygen infusion, and salicylic peel, and LED light, which is blue light. So it's a combination.
So are these invasive or non-invasive?
Non-invasive.
So I can also get that done?
Yes.
Yeah? Because
Yes.
even I have oily skin.
Oily skin, it'll help you to improve the pH balance.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
You should do that. A procedure you never recommend to anybody.
There's a lot of requests coming for skin lightening, 2 to 3 shades lighter, which I don't actually, you know, agree to. If there's pigmentation or tanning, it's a different thing. We want to make the skin
Yeah.
even tone or remove the pigmentation.
Right.
But most of the Indian girls, they're looking for a fairer skin. And in the West, all those Firangs, they want to
Oh,
get
no.
their skin tanned. I don't know, nobody seems to be happy with their skin type.
Yeah, I know. Today is the last day of your life. How would you want to spend it? I want
Working.
Working?
Working at the clinic.
So you're-
That's my happy place.
You're a
My
workaholic like
happiest-
me.
That's my happiest place.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Aw. Oh, this is that fan. She always comments. She is like one of the most active followers of mine.
Yeah.
She has asked this wonderful question. What's that one question or request as a doctor you're tired of hearing?
Okay, so one thing then when people want to look younger and they want to inject their faces, so the most common question is that would I look unnatural?
Yeah.
Or would I get cancers on a long-term basis? Or would I look older when the effect goes that
Yeah.
away? So there are a lot of these misconceptions that people have. And second thing which people need to get educated is they always get reference images of some XYZ celebrities like jawline, like a
Yeah, I want a
particular actor.
jawline like that.
Yeah,
Or
and lips
nose.
like someone, and the high cheeks like someone else. So people have a lot of unrealistic expectations from the treatment,
Right.
which they need to be educated.
Okay, so last question, because I think that before we start the Cetaphil Present, not just a chat show, kuch bachega hi nahi and we'll get very tired. We have
Right.
chatted so much. So
Right.
last question,
Yeah.
okay? What's the secret behind your bright, healthy and radiant skin? This is a question from me.
All right, so I follow my skincare religiously. So you have to be very consistent with that. I sleep well, I exercise well, and I think positive and I stay positive.
Yeah, that's good. That's a really nice message that I'm going to give out to my fans. They're going to be very, very happy. And I also have to say that thank you so much for coming at such
Pleasure's
short
all
notice.
mine.
Aw, thank you. I really hope we have the same fun in our chat show, of
Yeah,
course.
sure,
But I
we
have
would.
something for you, actually.
Really?
We both love Cetaphil, right?
Yeah.
We both love the product. So I have got a Cetaphil hamper for you.
Yeah.
Backstage, can somebody please get me the Cetaphil hamper? Thank you, Dada. Thank you.
Wow, this looks amazing.
See, right? And we were
Yeah.
talking about the Cetaphil, you know,
it's
gentle
got,
skin cleanser.
Yeah, it's got the cleanser.
Yeah.
It's got all the moisturizers.
Yeah. It's so
got
good,
the-
right?
Yeah.
And
that's
I love these
amazing.
products. You like these products.
Yes.
So it's just,
Oh,
I
wow.
thought something
Thank
from
you
me.
so much. So thoughtful of you.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm glad you liked it.
I love
Guys,
them.
are we ready to roll?
Yeah, almost ready, almost ready.
Are you ready? Do you want
I'm
some
ready. I
ketchup?
think you're not ready.
Why?
You're still wearing your flip-flops. Is this a new
Let's go close.
fashion or this is your
Absolutely
style?
not. Guys, please मेरे को मेरे heels दो भाई. मैं ऐसे ही कर देती अभी host. I would have like created a
Right.
trend also, but no.
Yeah.
no,
What's
absolutely
wrong with
not.
Anushka's hair? Just
Disgusting.
like that.
Please मेरे heels ला दो.
Okay, let's roll. Come on.
रेडी हुआ
दिखाओ मेरे को.
रेडी
Touch up करना जरा.
कट करना
राजेश दादा.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. See, flip flops out.
Wow, I love
heels
them.
in.
I love them.
Oh, I
They
love
look much better.
I love that.
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, I'm so happy that you know people can see you in your formal like look.
Yes.
So nice. Wow. It's amazing. All ready, right?
All ready.
All good to go.
All set.
Right? 1 second. Guys, we're gonna roll, right? 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Chaldi. Tell me now what is the first question? Okay, the first question is. And the next question is that whenever celebrities are spotted at clinics, people are always thinking that they're getting surgeries done and everything, right? That's the question.
Correct.
Okay, Doc, I'm gonna ask all of this. Thanks, Charul. Thank you so much. I'm gonna ask all of these questions, you know.
Anushka, are you going to ask me the same questions again?
No, dog. That was me behind the scenes.
All right.
Now it's me gonna be the formal host.
Okay.
You know, the show is gonna begin. Abhi to shuru hone wala hai. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna ask you a lot of questions, serious questions. So, is there something you don't want me to ask? Like
Don't ask about any of my celeb clients or their procedures.
names?
No.
No.
Don't be naughty.
Off cam?
No.
You can't tell me anything. One name.
No.
Okay. No problem. Oh, by the way, is this your first time ever on a chat show?
Yes, this is my first ever chat show.
my
I've done reality shows but not chat shows.
It's your and my first time. It's my first
Really?
ever chat show
Wow.
host. You know, the thing, and I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Me too.
Please bear with me, okay? If I go wrong or anything, I'm gonna be pretty invasive. I'm gonna ask a lot of
Right.
questions, okay? But yeah, we are gonna have fun.
We
yeah?
have a lot of fun.
Let's do this.
Yes, let's do this.
Woohoo! Yes. Guys, are we ready?
Ready to roll? जरा कैमरा पैन कर. Roll camera. Sound and action.
Hello and welcome to Cetaphil Presents Not Just a Chat Show with yours truly, Anushka Sen. And today as our guest, we have the beauty magician and aesthetic physician, the wonderful and gorgeous Dr. Monica Jacob, MD.
Thank you.
First of all, I have to say welcome to my show, and I love that you're wearing this formal coat of yours. You look so beautiful.
Thank you, and the pleasure's all mine.
It's my pleasure to have you on the show. I have so many questions.